Do you want to start counting money like this? Or maybe you want to grow your online business like this? Stick till the end of this video and I will tell you how to start making money online without spending money from your own pocket. Hello everyone and welcome to another video on money spam. What, you didn't like my face here? Well, I'm teaching the beginner steps, so I thought I should explain it as a beginner. Alright, let me switch it back to my normal mode. So in this video, I'm going to tell you a free traffic source that you can use, and what we will be doing to earn money is called affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is basically a marketing in which you are selling a product that you don't own, and every successful sale earns a commission. And in this sort of marketing, you don't have to deal with customer shipping, customer refunds, customer cancellation, customer care centers. These headaches belong to the product seller. So, what exactly you do? Think of it as you are selling a resistance band. Someone needs a resistance band to do exercise, right? So what you do is you take those people and you point them where the product is, and you point them to the product where you are going to earn commission. So as simple as that. So that is affiliate marketing. So without delay, let's go to my screen and I will show you step by step how you can do all this. So to promote a product, first we need to select a product. Now the product can be in any niche. For this case study, I am going to promote a product in health industry, and the product is called Meticor. I had some success with this product in the past. The product was launched in September-October time frame, and the product has been consistently performing. And if you will see this page, it is number one in the selling category. See, sales rank is number one. So the product still converts fairly well, and the commission rate is 85%. So on an average, if you will see, it makes a sale of around 139 Canadian dollars. So if you convert it to dollars, 135 to 0.78, so it is around 105 USD, which is a significant amount for a single sale. Now, if you don't know how to register for these affiliate marketplaces, you need to watch my first video, this video, where I explained what you need to do to get registered to these affiliate marketplaces. Do that, go through that video step by step and follow it so that you can get registered and approved successfully to these marketplaces. To promote the product, you come here and you click on promote now. This promote now. And when you click promote it, you get this link which is called the hop link. You copy it and you paste it somewhere in the notepad. Let me open a notepad, and I have pasted it in the notepad. You open this product page once and see if it works properly or not. So we will just open it and see if sometimes there are problems with the product page. And you should always see if you'd be willing to purchase this product or not, because if the sales page is not good enough, if you are not willing to put your money there, why would someone else be? So I know this sales page converts well because I had some success with it in the past, so we are just going to go with it. So to promote this product, we are going to come to a website called answers.yahoo.com. Now don't skip this video, because next day you are going to come back to me saying that you have been banned if you don't follow the steps step by step as I am teaching you. Because it is very important to know that these websites does not allow a link to affiliate product. So what you need in between is a landing page. Now we have couple of options here, and I will also explain the reason why I'm suggesting this website. If you will see the traffic this website gets, this website is global rank 12, and the traffic this website is getting is 3.8 billion. If you scroll down on this extension, it will say 52% of the traffic comes from US, which is insane. And the fun part, since we are promoting a product for weight loss, we can just come and we can search here weight loss. So you see, these are all the questions people have asked for weight loss, and you can start answering them one by one. And remember, when you are answering these questions, provide a value to them. At least write 100, 200 words there. So to answer these questions, you don't have to start writing every time. What you need to do is you need to create a template. Template means you create a fixed answer. Every time you're putting that answer in a very similar question, just change couple of words here and there, and then you post it. Don't post exact same answer every time. Just change one line here, couple of words here and there, and then you post it. Now the reason I am suggesting this website is because you open one of these questions, and when you click on answer here, you can type your answer here. Always add a photo here. If you don't know where to get photos from, get it from pexels.com or get it from pixabay.com. They are completely free, and they allow you to use them for even commercial purpose. Now this is where the fun part is. You need to add a link here, and nobody is going to ban your link. But remember, this link should not be of a sales page. It has to be a landing page. Now we have couple of options to create a landing page. First, you can go to Blogger and you can create a free blog. So I already have a blog. What I'm going to do is, just for showcase, I'm going to come down and I'm going to click on create blog, and I'm going to just name it like weight loss journey and click next. And I'm going to say weight loss journey 1001, and I'm going to save it. And there you go, folks. We have this blog live now. What we need to do is we need to click on new post. Now you will ask me what you are going to write here, because as I said, most of my videos have copy paste method. So what you are going to do is you are going to come to Google and type free PLR articles. Now these articles are free, copyright free. You can use it in any way you see fit. So what you are going to do is you are going to come to this killer PLR articles, and here we are, and you are going to sign up for it. And after that, you are going to, let me just go back to homepage to showcase how you can search for it. And then you can search here for articles on weight loss. See, there are so many articles here, 10 pages of articles, and each page has couple of articles here. So you just open anyone you think is relevant for your product. So let's say you open this. So these articles are professionally written, and it is written with, see, 609 words. So you can just copy this. And just to make sure it is written properly, we are going to come to a website called grammarly.com. This website is also free of cost, and it can do free proofreading for you. So we will paste it here. Let me select, this is heading. We are going to paste it here. And this website will tell you if there are problems in this articles. So you see all the problems are highlighted in red. We are just going to click here, and we are just going to correct the mistakes. It will take you less than 10 seconds to click on all the mistakes, and it will automatically correct all your proofreading. There you go. Now this article is completely spelling or grammar free, and you can just copy it I will mention a link for all of this in the description, so remember to just click on them and go to these pages. So we are going to now go back to our blog. Let me just find that blog. Yeah, and you can paste it, and we need to, yeah, and you can put or highlight. Let's say you want to highlight this, you can put these in bold, you can put them in separate paragraphs. You can design the article in any way you see fit, and then you can click on preview to see how the article is looking. Okay, so it looks good. You can add even a picture here. Let me just find where the picture button is. Yeah, you can choose a photo here, and you can choose a photo and you can insert it at any point. I will suggest to have at least two pictures in your articles, because pictures makes your articles engaging. People love to read articles with pictures, so just put them. And what you need to do is you need to start embedding your links in this page. Now remember, as I said before, always shorten your links first. So we are going to go back to our notepad and we are going to come to our favorite site called incisors.com. We are going to just paste it here and we are going to click on shorten. So we shorten the link because in future, if you want to promote a different product on these pages, all you need to do is you need to come down here, click on edit, and you can change the product you are promoting from this product to another product. The link will be sitting in the same page. You don't have to go through the hassle of changing the links one by one. So you can say click here to show a miracle product that makes you lose 10 kg in 1 month or something like that. So you just select it, you click on link and you paste the link, your shortened link, and then you click on publish. So you click on publish and you see it is live now, and see the link has been embedded. So you remember to embed at least 2 or 3 times in your articles, and then this is the article you are going to copy and you are going to come back to your answers.yahoo.com and you are going to paste this article as source. Now nobody can stop you from posting this article as reference. There is no problem because we are not using a sales page to link to answers.yahoo.com, and it is perfectly legal and allowed to do this. There is one more method that you can use to promote your these products on answers.yahoo.com. So what we are going to do is we are going to select an article which is already ranking in Google. So let's say we are going to search weight loss. So we come to Google and we go to this article from Healthline. So we know this article is already very good because it is ranking on Google. So what we can use is we can use this article to promote our own product. Let me show you how we can do that. So we are going to come to our page website back called incisors.com and we are going to click on overlay pages. Now remember, this incisors.com website is free. Don't worry about paying money. You can create one overlay page per account free of cost. So you click on create and we are going to create on message and we are going to put the name as let's say weight loss king. We are going to put message as how did I lose 10 kg in 1 month without dieting, and we are going to put overlay as latest and we need to choose a picture here. So we choose the picture and you see here button link. So we are going to put our link here. This is our hop link, and then we are going to say the label as click to know more, and you can change the color, you can change the text color, you can change a lot of things. Just remember to keep this at a position where you think people will use it, and we click on save overlay. So our overlay has been saved. What we need to do is we need to go back to our dashboard, and we need to select the article that we wanted to see, and we are going to paste this URL here, and from here we will select our overlay, and then we are going to click on shorten. Now we are going to click on copy, and we will check it out if our overlay is coming properly or not. And you see this button here. Now it is sitting on our health line article, and we already know this article is very good. What you can do is you can click on this Botox links that we generated with the overlay, and you can come back to answers.yahoo.com and you can start putting this as reference. You see, we already know that article is good, so we are already providing value to the customer, and we are promoting our own product as an overlay on top of that article. So people will think that the promo is coming from Healthline, and people already trust Healthline, and they will click on it, and when they click on it, see, it will go to our sales page, and if they decide to make a purchase, you are going to get money from it. Don't stop at answering just one answer on yahoo.com. You need to keep working hard. You need to be persistent. You need to be consistent. Answer every day 5-10 answers. You just create a template out of it. Promote any product. Find questions related to that category of product. Every time change one sentence, few words here and there, and post that same answer again for a similar question. Keep on doing it 10 questions every day. It will take only 10 minutes to answer 10 questions, because you are going to create one sorted link and you are going to promote one link for that product on every answer. So all you need to do is find the relevant questions and start answering them. So just answer them every day. Just imagine if you answer 10 questions per day, it is going to be 300 questions you will answer in 1 month. Imagine how can't you make a sale out of it. So I'm telling you, if you will be consistent, you are going to see sales coming in no time. By the end of 1 month, you will have at least some sales to show for. Alright folks, that's it for the video today. I will see you in next video.